In this session, we are going to discuss about the third type of blood corpuscles or blood cells called as platelets, or you can say platelets and thrombocytes. Platelets and thrombocytes. So these are the third type of formed elements or blood corpuscles found in the blood of human beings. Now in some cases or in some books you are going to read that there is written as blood platelets or thrombocytes. Are both these are same? Yes, function wise both platelets and thrombocytes are same because both these cells perform same function. But platelets, they are found only in mammals. So this is the difference between platelets and thrombocytes. Function wise, yes, platelets and thrombocytes are similar. But platelets, they are found only in the blood of mammals, while thrombocytes, they are found in all vertebrates except mammals. So, thrombocytes, they are found in all vertebrates except mammals. Now, we are going to discuss about platelets. Now, these platelets in the blood of human beings or in the blood of mammals, these platelets, they are produced in the red bone marrow. Here we can going to write production. Platelets, they are produced in red bone marrow due to the fragmentation or due to the breaking off of large cells present in the bone marrow. So in the bone marrow, there is the presence of certain large cells, and these large cells are called as megakaryocytes. So due to the breaking of these large cells, megakaryocytes, certain fragments are produced in the cytoplasm, and that fragments are called as platelets. So as these are the cytoplasmic fragments. So here we are going to write platelets are cytoplasmic fragments produced due to the fragmentation or breaking off of large cells called as megakaryocytes. Now, as these cells, platelets are cytoplasmic fragments. So these cells, they does not contain any nucleus. So there is no nucleus, or these cells are enucleated cells, means in the cytoplasm nucleus is absent. So these platelets, they are small sized cells having the size of 2 to 3 microns. So they are small sized cells having the diameter of 2 to 3 microns. And the shape of the platelets, generally it is spherical in shape. So the shape generally it is spherical. But when we are going to observe the figure of platelets, or we are going to observe platelets in a smear, then we are going to observe a dark portion in the center. And generally we confuse that this is the nucleus. And we are saying platelets are enucleated cells, means there is no nucleus. Then this dark portion present in the center is cytoplasmic granules. So these are cytoplasmic granules. So dark large portion present in the center, it is cytoplasmic granules which are present in the form of a dense material. So this is not a nucleus, and platelets are enucleated cells, means there is no nucleus present. Now, the number of the platelets found in per cubic millimeter of human blood, it is in between 2.5 to 3.5 into 10 to the power 5 per cubic millimeter of the blood. The number is large. They are having, the number is 2.5 to 3.5 into 10 to the power 5 per cubic millimeter of the blood. So this is the number, and this number, it is called as platelet count. So the number of platelets found in per cubic millimeter of human blood, which is 2.5 to 3.5 into 10 to the power 5, is the platelet count. And the average lifespan of platelets is generally up to a week, or it is in between 7 to 10 days. So they are having a very small time span of 7 to 10 days. And when the platelet count, it is going to increase due to number of different reasons. When the platelet count, it is going to increase than the normal, then this condition, it is called as thrombocytosis. So thrombocytosis is increase in the platelet count, and if this platelet count, it decreases than the normal, then it is called as thrombocytopenia. Thrombocytopenia is decrease in the platelet count, and if the platelet count, it is going to increase, then it is called as thrombocytosis. Now the functions of these platelets. The platelets, they are mostly responsible for clotting. The process of blood clotting, it is carried out with the help of these platelets. Now when the blood comes out of the blood vessels due to injury to the capillaries, due to injury to the blood vessels, when the blood comes out of the blood vessel, at that time, these platelets are responsible for secreting a chemical which is called as thromboplastin, and this thromboplastin is mainly responsible for the process of clotting. So here we are going to write thromboplastin. Is secreted during injury to the blood vessels. And when this thromboplastin is secreted, it is responsible for clotting of the blood vessels. And this thromboplastin, it is also called as platelet factor. Thromboplastin responsible for blood clotting. It is also called as platelet factor. Now there is another chemical secreted by the platelets, and that is called as serotonin. So serotonin is one more chemical which is secreted by the blood vessels, and this serotonin, it is vasoconstrictor. Serotonin is a vasoconstrictor. So serotonin is a vasoconstrictor secreted by the blood platelets. Now we can sum up what we discussed about the blood platelets. Then in very brief, we will discuss about thrombocytes. So platelets found in mammals, and they are produced in red bone marrow due to breaking off of megakaryocytes, and these megakaryocytes breaks up to form cytoplasmic fragments which are called as platelets. There is no nucleus. But when we are going to observe platelets in a figure or in a smear, then in the center we are going to find a dense mass, a dense material, and that dense material is of cytoplasmic granule. So this is not the nucleus. So these are small sized cells having the size of 2 to 3 microns. The platelet count is the number of platelets found in per cubic millimeter of human blood. It is 2.5 to 3.5 into 10 to the power 5. When it increases, thrombocytosis. When it decreases, thrombocytopenia. And platelets are responsible for clotting of the blood. Now, in very brief, we will discuss about thrombocytes. The thrombocytes are found in all the vertebrates except mammals. And these thrombocytes, these are spindle-shaped cells. So in the center, so these are spindle-shaped cells, and thrombocytes are nucleated cells. They are having nucleus. And these thrombocytes, they are spindle-shaped and having nucleus, and the function of the thrombocytes is they are also responsible for blood clotting. So function wise, platelets and thrombocytes are same. But the difference, platelets found only in mammals, thrombocytes are found in all vertebrates except mammals, and these are nucleated cells. So this is all about the third type of blood corpuscles or blood cells called as platelets and thrombocytes. Now in the next session, we are going to discuss about the most important component of blood vascular system, that is heart. Thank you.